Well, howdy there pluckers, Arthur Fingers again with a very quick update to a lesson I did yesterday by Cliff Richard, a song called The Young Ones. Having watched it back a few times, I realised I'd left out one of the fill-ins that is played during the song many times during the song. Obviously, if you do play it tends to break the rhythm up a little bit if you're doing it on your own, but it's probably why I forgot to put it in. But I'll show it to you because it is quite prominent on the record, okay? And it's the one that goes during the verse where it goes, the young ones, the young ones, da, 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 da. Okay, it's that one, okay? Obviously you can play it if you're playing it on your own, but it tends to break up the rhythm somewhat. But if you've definitely got somebody else with you, they could obviously play it, okay? So it's very simple. It's typical Shadows type of thing. Double stop on the top two strings. Starts off, first finger I'm playing the 8th fret of the top E string. My third finger is playing the 10th fret of the second string, the B string, okay? Hit those two strings together and slide up at the same time. As soon as you've hit it, slide it up 2 frets, same shape. So the first finger goes to the 10th fret and the third finger goes to the 12th fret. Okay, so it goes, okay, and then you go back to the first shape on the 8th and 10th fret, okay, and then you end up on that one, which is the 7th fret on the top E string and the 8th fret on the second string. So da, 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 da. It's that simple, okay? But if you've got two with you, two guitarists, then obviously it's no issue, but you can play it as one. And so on. You get the idea? Okay, so there you have it, complete riffs. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.